Flick review. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashevas.com. Welcome to my Flick review. I'm inside the members area of Flick. During this video, I will be showing you a complete demo of exactly what is inside the members area and how this particular software works. In a nutshell, Flick is an cloud-based income generating system. Flix automates a proven formula enabling anyone to generate income from other people's products through comparison options. Very good. So basically, Flick compares two products, two physical products or digital products, two physical products from Amazon or eBay, the pricing and all the things, and this is the best way to sell a product on the internet, to make a comparison or to give a review. It's an easy way to sell actually. So Flick helps us generate a comparison between two products, either on Amazon and eBay. So that is the main thing of Flick, and also you can make a review video of any product on ClickBank to know and promote it on your video page. So this is basically about Flick. Flick also includes some pre-made comparison videos and landing pages so that you don't have to start from scratch, and it's got a very comprehensive tutorials of how to use this particular software Flick. A very beautiful tutorial, and Flick is definitely newbie friendly and it does not require any tech skill or marketing experience. Any person, including who's a newbie, can really make money out of using Flick. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please click on the link in the description below. That will bring you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And this is Jono's insane affiliate bundle. I am working alongside with Jono, so Jono will be Jono's page I'll be promoting. So what you can do is click on any of these violet buttons here, and that will take you to the sales page, which looks like this, and you can just click on this get instant access to Flick now. So you will be getting instant access to Flick only for $17, and this link will be live as of 29th of October 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you're going to get this at $17 US. So, and I have put in a lot of bonuses for you over here. I don't want you to miss these bonuses. These bonuses are custom bonuses, and we really worked hard to get these bonuses out, so that you can make best out of this particular software Flick. So just let us go to the bonus page and have a look at the bonuses I have put for you. Bonus number 1 is you will be getting access to a software you will be getting an access to Stealth HD, and this is a course by Jono Armstrong, who's my mentor and a 7 to 8 figure marketer, and it's a course explaining how to gather audience and build your buyers list. This is a product by which you can directly get into the email inboxes of people without having their email ID. That's why it's called Stealth. So this is a fantastic method of getting into the inboxes of all the guys without having their email IDs. Really, I would say it looks mysterious now, but it's a very cool method and a hack. So bonus number 2 is you're going to get access to the email marketing tips 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. See, why we are talking about email marketing is the money is in the list, guys. The money is in the list. So we have to really make money on email marketing and get lists and get into the inboxes so that you can make more bucks. So, and bonus number 3 is you're going to get access to building how to build a Facebook following fast. This gives you access to a good hack with which you can build your Facebook following using viral videos. So this is your third bonus. The fourth bonus is 0 to 100 in 24 hours. $0 to $100 in 24 hours. In this bonus, you're getting an access to a course by again Juno Armstrong. In this course, will teach you the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing. So this is in brief the guys the bonus what I will be giving you. And there are the bonus number 5 is I will be giving access to all the bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you. These bonuses you're going to get access to all the bonuses which are mentioned, and all these bonuses are there in the members area. And when I go to the members area, I will just be showing you where the bonuses are located. So all these bonuses along with the vendor bonuses are 100% free of charge, instantly delivered to you, even if you pick up the front end of this particular product, which just costs you around $17. So to get all these bonuses, what you have to do is just click on, scroll on this on my bonus page and click on this violet button here, which will take you to my sales page. And from there you can get a sales page. You can just
Welcome to the Flick demo. Now in this demo I'm going to explain what Flick is, what it does, and show you how it works. Now in a nutshell, Flick is a cloud-based software which will allow you to capitalize on a formula which has been around for as long as people have been making money online. Now the system capitalizes on the massive online shopping boom, and it does this through product comparison. Now product comparisons provide the information that consumers need, and it's an ethical and evergreen way of making money online. Now, as I've said, this system has been around for a long time. Flick automates the process, makes the process really straightforward, really easy, especially if you're just getting started online. Now, just to prove a point, I want to show you YouTube and Google because Flick uses both. Now you can see here a ton of product comparison videos. You can go and check these yourself. You know, if you find a product, or if you're interested in a product, say iPhone for example, you put iPhone, say 11, 12, whatever, these, and then see what comes up. There's a ton of videos for pretty much anything you can dream up. You know, it could be an iPhone, it could be a pair of shoes, it could be a coffee machine, it could be a light bulb. It doesn't really matter. There are comparison videos for pretty much everything. And the point here is you don't have to actually sell anything. You just provide those comparisons. People are already looking for those products. They've already got their credit card in hand. All you need to do is provide the information. So you provide the information as a product comparison video, and then you link through to your Flick Hub page. Now on the Flick Hub page, you'll have the products, your video will be added there, and everything is embedded with your affiliate link. Or you can link directly to the products. It's entirely up to you, but you get the page anyway. Now let me show you how this works. So once you log into Flick, you'll see a screen just like the one you see in front of you now. Now the first step is to click Create a Campaign. Then enter a name for the campaign and click Create, and choose from Compare Products or ClickBank Products. Now we need to find what customers are actually looking for. So let's drop in a phrase, say iPhone for example, and click search. Now the first thing you'll see is the competition analysis for the phrase that you've added. Now this is a broad phrase and we know it's going to be very high, but we're not really too bothered about that because we're going to be picking specific products. Flick integrates with Amazon and eBay, so you can compare products, physical products from both of those platforms. Everything is pulled via API, so there's very little to do. Simply select the products that you're interested in comparing, add in the search term. This is a term that will be used in YouTube, and then click proceed to video. Now what will happen now in the background is Flick will collect all of the details directly from the platform. So that could be eBay, Amazon, or it could be both, it doesn't matter. Flick will collect all of the details and it will build your video slides for you. And if you hate appearing on camera or any of that video editing stuff, then Flick is perfect. So again, Flick does most of the stuff for you. It'll extract all of the details from the products that you've chosen via API from the platforms, i.e. Amazon and eBay, and it will create your slides and ultimately your video. So once Flick completes your video, it will pop up in your dash. You can see it here. So what we're going to do is click on the share icon. Now this is the next step. It means uploading your video. Uploading your video to YouTube, Vimeo, especially YouTube, is vitally important for this system to work, because with the right title, these comparison videos rank almost instantaneously. It doesn't matter if you don't have a huge following or if you're just starting off with a new YouTube account, for example. The fact is, these comparison videos rank really, really quickly, and they can often stick around for a long, long time. So make sure you upload to YouTube, and then once you do that, the software will pull in the tags, descriptions, everything you need in order to rank, and it will auto create your hub page for you. Now, just to recap, Flick creates comparison videos. These are product comparison videos. You can compare digital products using ClickBank, or you can compare physical, tangible products, which could be absolutely anything, using Amazon and eBay. Now, the reason Flick and the process it follows works so well is because you're not actually selling anything. What you're doing is providing genuine information that people who are already set on buying that item will appreciate. They'll see the comparison video, they'll be able to weigh up the features of both products in one place without opening lots of other tabs, and they're going to be far more inclined to make a purchase. And you'll profit from whichever choice the consumer makes.
Which will be live as of 29th of October, and just have to press this button, get instant access to Flick now. And now the question is, where do you get your bonuses? So the bonuses you will be getting the moment you purchase it from Warrior Plus. It will be taking you to a Warrior Plus page, and there what you can do is you can just go in and just press on this button here, the blue button which is in the receipt page. It will be showing you a blue button, get instant access, and you can just press on this button and you're going to get instant access. And suppose you come from JVZoo and you get a page like this, and here you get here you're getting a button which tells in the affiliate bonus. Just press on that button and you're going to get access to this particular all the bonuses here. You don't have to give me your email ID or receipt page or anything sent. You're going to get access to this particular bonus over here. So that's in a nutshell how you're going to get the bonuses, guys. So this is the way. I just wanted to go to the upsells now. What are the upsells there for Flick? You're going to get access to the front end for around $17, guys. You're going to get access to the front end of Flick. Yeah, front end is going to be $17, a powerful software and all its training modules. So the upsell number one is big, $67, unlimited keyword product research for Amazon, eBay and ClickBank. So auto create an additional 10 corresponding landing pages, 15 per month hosted. So they're going to be hosted for you on this particular platform, and create additional 10 videos and upload on YouTube and video 15 per month. So for 67, this particular $17 thing is just being very limited. You cannot upload as many number of videos in this particular thing, upsell number. one. Option number two is you're going to get access to compare, and this is the thing, guys. This is what you would look for, because you can compare between two stores, two e-com stores, two e-com giants, that's eBay and Amazon. You can compare, and you can just give out the prices and everything, and you can show it on the squeeze page as well. So this is a straight comparison here, and this is the thing what you have to look for, guys. This option number two will be very useful to you. And option number three is Flick Mega Traffic Offer, and your pixel is added to Flick sales page, enabling you to build a large target audience. This is your option number three. And option number four is Flick Agency Unlimited, which is going to cost you $67. And option number five is Flick 1K week version 3, which is going to cost you $127. So you can come and have a look at your own time. I don't want to take more of your time here. There's also a video on my bonus page. You can just go through it, the demo video, so that you get a full overview of what this particular software does. So a quick run through to the sales page. The sales page looks like this, guys. I already told you, and it says 40 to 80,000 hits in 48 hours. Little Guy affiliate system generates massive daily results without cost. Simple comparison system currently beating corporate giants. Full system revealed below. So this is really, folks, you can really make good money by comparing two different two products on two different platforms, either eBay or on Amazon, and make some money on this particular thing, guys. So without much ado and without much waste of time, I would like to get into the members area fast and show you what the members area looks like. So this is the dashboard. Here you can you can compare between two products. Flick compare. This is an upsell, I already told you. And here are the tutorials. The tutorials are quite comprehensive, guys. Very comprehensive tutorials on the whole thing. So creating campaigns on Flick. Then you've got the next one is how to create video using ClickBank products. You can create videos using ClickBank products. Then how to get Amazon API keys. Then how to manually add product into a video campaign, editing, deleting in the dashboards, how to set up for ClickBank account, how to get your eBay API keys, Dropbox, how to connect to Dropbox and upload Vimeo API keys. So everything is a very comprehensive tutorial, guys. So it's given a very good tutorials. And the bonuses, the vendor bonuses, you're going to get access over here. You just have to press this bonus button and you're going to go see all the bonuses there for you. So, and this is the dashboard. And now how do we create a campaign? You just press the button create a campaign, and you just have to create a campaign. And I want to create a campaign called now headphones, HEADPHONES. So I'm going to create a campaign here. The campaign name is available, so I can either compare products or create a standalone on ClickBank product. So here I want to compare products. So here again I enter the keyword headphones, HEADPHONES. I enter this and press search. So it is going to search the products from eBay and also from Amazon. So what happens is, basically, see, I have not entered my API keys of Amazon and ClickBank, Amazon and also eBay. So here it's not going to show me the whole thing of product name, but here when I press this, I have to add this particular thing from the drop down menu. And similarly here I'm going to add here, and it's going to give me a comparison of the two. So and that is the thing, guys. So this is how the whole thing is going to be. And now when I want to compare, I press compare here, and again no, I have not got my API keys in place, so this thing is not going to work fully. So this is the thing, guys. So this is in short the demo of the dashboard area and the members area. So what you have to do is just if you like my video, just have to press the subscribe button. I'm going to have more videos like this. You can also click like and share my video if you found this thing very useful. So if you want to get Flick through my review, through my link, click on the link in the description below, which will take you to the bonus page, and click on any of these violet buttons here, which will take you to the sales page, and there you can pick up this particular product. So thank you for watching, guys. So until my next review, goodbye.